Hi guys, this is IS and I'm back here with a brand new video. So today I'll show you how you can edit the warm desaturated look in under 2 minutes. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first go to light panel and then bring down the exposure to minus 0.20. Okay. Now bring down the contrast to around minus 29 and highlight to minus 24 and increase the shadow to around 50. Okay, now bring down the white to around minus 55 and then leave the blacks to 0. Now go to curve and then create an S curve like this. Bring up the blacks, bring down the shadow, keep the midpoint into the middle, and then bring up the highlight like this. That just a little bit. Okay, now click on done. Now go to light panel and then bump up the temperature to around plus 40. Okay, tint to minus 10. Now decrease the vibrance to around minus 20. Also saturation to minus 10. Now go to effect and then bring up the clarity to around plus 10. Also dehaze to around plus 10. Now go to split tone and then set the highlight hue to 219 and saturation to 8. Like so. Click on done and again go to color and then mix panel and then bring down the hue of red to minus 20, saturation to minus 18. Select orange, now bring down the hue to minus 16, saturation to 18 and luminance to plus 18. Now select yellow and only bring down the saturation to negative 78. Now select green, hue plus 100, saturation minus 100. Now select aqua, then bring up the hue to plus 29. Saturation minus 42 and luminance to minus 27. Now go to blue, hue to minus 27, saturation to minus 82 and luminance to minus 30. Click on done and that's it. With done, now I'm gonna click on the 3 dot and copy settings. Then I'm gonna paste it to this photo. Click on 3 dot again and then paste settings. As you can see, it will pop up your subject and also it desaturates the greens a lot. So now paste it to some other photos. Oops, sorry, paste settings. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you, then don't forget to like this video, leave a comment and also share with your friend, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care.